Hi everyone, welcome to today's quantitative aptitude paper discussion session of your prelims mock test 9. IBPS prelims mock test 9. Quant section 36 to 40. 36 to 40. See what is given here. The table given below shows the total number of animals in 4 different national parks. Jim Corbett National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Gir National Park, Pench National Park. So tigers, elephants and other animals. Find the ratio of number of tigers and elephants together in Jim Corbett National Park to number of elephants in Gir National Park. So here if you see Jim Corbett National Park, tigers and elephant, 270 plus 1125. 270 plus 1125 is 2. And what are the number of elephants in the Gir National Park? 1240. So it is nothing but 1395 is to 1240. So what is the nearest ratio? So what can we apply here? What is the answer? With which number you can divide? 1395 is to 1240. One thing is very clear that it is how many times? 5, how many times? 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 5 9s are 279 is to 248. So if I see here 31 8s are 248, 31 9s are 279. So answer is 9 is to 8. 9 is to 8. 9 is to 8 is the answer. Next question. Total number of animals in Kaziranga National Park is what percentage more or less than total number of animals in the Gir National Park? So total Kaziranga is how much here? 3200. 3200 is more or less. Is what percent? 3200. What about Gir National Park? 210, 1240, 1440 plus 2150. 1440 it is 3600. So 3200 is less than 3600 by how much percentage? 400 by 3600. 1 by 9. 1 by 9 means option B. Next, ratio of birds, deer and crocodile in Jim Corbett and Gir National Park are 6 is to 5 is to 4 and 20 is to 15 is to 8 respectively. Find the difference between total number of birds and total number of elephants in these two national parks. Other animals in these two national parks consists of birds, deer and crocodiles only. So see here, number of birds in Jim Corbett National Park is how much? 3105. So this total is how much? 15 parts. If 15 parts total is 3105, then birds would be how many parts? 6 parts. Then 6 parts would be how much here? 6 parts would be 15 how many times? 15 207 times. 6 207s are 1242. 1242. So birds in Jim Corbett is how much? 1242. Similarly now 20 plus 15, 35 plus 8, 43 parts. 43 parts is 2150 in Gir National Park. So birds in Gir National Park is how many parts? 20 parts. If 43 parts is 2150, 20 parts would be how much? 20 into 50, which is 1000. So 1000. Now, what is asked here? The difference between total number of birds and total number of elephants. So birds here is 1247. 1247 plus 1125 minus 1000 plus 1240. 1000 plus 1240. Yes. So what is the difference you are going to get? So 7 plus 5, 12. So you are going to get how much? 1247 minus 1247 minus 1240 is 7. 1125 minus 1000 is 125. 125 plus 7, 132. Am I correct? 132 is the answer. Do we have the option or not? 132 is what I have got. 132. Okay, 132 is the answer. Next. 5, 5 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 2. Okay. Total number of tigers in Gir and Pench national parks together is what percentage of total animals? Total animals in these two national parks. So total number of tigers in Gir and Pench. Tigers in Gir and Pench together is how much? These two together is 385. 385 is what percentage of total number of animals? Total number of animals in these two national parks. So how much you are going to get if you add all these things? You are going to get 6,600. 6,600 if you add all these figures. So 385 is what percentage of 6,600? So how much you are going to get? 0, 0 cancel. Now 11 35s are 11 6 are. So 6 5s are 5 5 by 6. 5 by 6 percentage. Option A is correct. The next 40th question. Average number of elephants. Elephants in Kaziranga and Gir National Park. So 1240 and 820 by 2. 1240 plus 820 by 2 minus average number of elephants in Jim Corbett and Pench. Jim Corbett and Pench, it is 1125 plus 925 by 2. If you see here, the difference here is 10 by 2. How much? 5. So the answer is 5. Answer is 5. Now next questions based on quadratic. So here 42. 42 means 7 6. 7 6. So you can say x is minus 7 comma minus 6 and y is equal to minus 5 comma minus 6. So definitely I can say y is equal to x or y greater than x. Y greater than or equal to x. X less than or equal to y. Option D is correct. Next. 90. 15 9. So I can say x is equal to 15 comma minus 6 and y 8 6 minus 6 comma minus 8. So I can say now here x is greater than y or x is equal to y. X greater than or equal to y. Option B is correct. The next 43. 4 15 ja 60. 10 6. So I am going to get x as minus 5 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. 3 1 ja 3. So 3 and 1. So I am going to get y is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1 by 3. So what I am going to get here, minus 1 is greater than this. So y is definitely greater than x. So x is less than y. Next 44. So 7 and 5. So I will get x is equal to 5 or minus 7 and 5 and 2. So I will get y is equal to 2 comma minus 5. 2 comma minus 5. 5 is greater than 2, but 5 is greater than minus 5, but minus 7 is less than 2. Minus 7 is less than minus 5. So no relationship. Okay, relationship can't be established. Then 45. 4x plus 8y is equal to 16. So x plus y is equal to 11 by 4. From if you solve these two, what you are going to get? 4x plus 4y is equal to 11. So from this 8 minus 4, 4y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 by 4. Y is equal to 5 by 4 and x is equal to 3 by 2. So you will get x is greater than y. X greater than y. Option A is correct. Then next 46. The ratio of the length and breadth of a rectangular plot is 6:5 and the ratio of the numerical value of the perimeter and the area of the plot is 2:15. 2:15. So 2 into L plus B is to length into breadth is equal to 2:15 is given. So from this what you can get 2 cancel and 5 3s are 15 2 is 30. So I will get I will get 60. X is also 1 x is also cancelled throughout. So I will get 330 is equal to 60x. So x is equal to 5.5. If x is 5.5, so length would be 6 into 5.5 33. Breadth would be 5 into 5.5 27.5. Thereby the perimeter. Find the perimeter of the square whose numerical value of its area is equal to numerical value of the perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter of rectangle now? 2 into 33 plus 27.5. 2 into how much? 60.5, which is 121 centimeter. Now the side of square A is equal to root over 121, which is 11 centimeter. Now the area of square would be how much? What is asked here? Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is asked. Perimeter of square would be 4 into 11, which is 44. So answer is 44. Answer is 44. Now the cost price of a pencil is 8 less than that of pen. When the pen is sold at 50% profit and the pencil is sold at 150% profit, it is found that the selling price of both are same. Find the cost price of pen. I am going through options. The cost price of a pencil is 8 less than the cost price of pen. So the cost price of pen is 20. The cost price of pen is 20. That pencil is 12. When the pen is sold at 50% profit, so on 20 50% profit is 10 30, and the pencil is sold at 150% profit. 150% profit means 12 plus 18 30. These two are equal, satisfying. So option A is correct. Next, A alone can complete a work in 36 days. B is 2/3 as efficient. So B's efficiency is 2/3 of A. 2/3 of A. So A and B, the efficiency is in the ratio 3:2. So times taken in the ratio 2:3. So it is 36 given. So it is 54. Okay. Now and if 7/9 of the work is done by A and B together, 36 54, the LCM is 108. Okay, 7/9 of the work means 84 units is work done by A and B together, and the remaining work is completed by C. Remaining work is how much? 24 units. It is done by C in 24 days. Okay. In how many days? All the three will complete the whole work together. If A's capacity is 3, B's capacity is 2, then C's capacity would be 1. So 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. 6 together can complete the total work 108 in how many days? 18 days. So answer is 18 days, option E. 48, option E. Next question. In how many different ways the letters of the word can be arranged so that vowels come together? So here on keeping all vowels together, all vowels 1, 2, 3, the remaining B and T, and one vowel group, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 factorial, and the three vowels among themselves can be arranged by 3 factorial by 3 factorial, which is 4 factorial means 24. So answer is 24. Answer is 24. Now x is to y is 2 is to 3, y is to z is 4 is to 5. 2 is to 3, 4 is to 5. Thereby 8 is to 12 is to 15. Right? Now the average is 105. The average is 105. So sum is 315. So 8 plus 12, 20 plus 15. How much? 315. How much? 8 plus 20, 13. 13 plus 15, 45. 45, sorry. 8 plus 12, how much? 20. 20 plus 15, 35. So total is 35 parts. Total is 35 parts. 35 parts is how much? 35 parts is average is 105. So sum is 105 into 3, 315. Now it is asked for x plus z minus y. 8 plus 15, 23. 23 minus 12. 23 minus 12 is how much? 23 minus 12 is 11. So 11 parts would be how much? So it is 11 into 315 divided by 35. So how much you are going to get? 7 5s are 7, 40 5s are 5 9s are. So now 11 9s are how much? 99. 99 is the answer. 99. So option E. Option E. Next question. Next you have approximations of 51 to 55 or approximations. 9 into 19, 171. 9 into 19, 171. 171 plus 38 square is how much? 1615. 1615. Now 512, what? Cube root is 8. 256 square root is 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 is equal to 19 plus 5. So answer is D. Next. 2 by 15. 2 by 15 minus how much? 2 by 15 minus how much? It is like this. It is actually like this. Okay, the question. And 39.40% means 2/5 of 650 is equal to 65. So 65 10 times, 5 2 times. So 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So the question mark has to be 7. Question mark has to be 7. Next, 30% of 570.1. 30% of 570. 3 by 10 of 570 into 2 is equal to x square minus 19. So now what you can say, 0 0 cancel. Now 570, 57 into 2. 57 into 2. 57 into 2 is 114. 114 into 3 is 342. 342 plus 19 is 361. 361 is x square. So x is 19. X is 19. Now next question. 13824. 13824 whole power 1 by 3 means cube root. It is actually what? 24 cube. 24 cube whole power 1 by 3 is 24. 24 square. 24 square is equal to x plus 231. 576 minus 231. 345. 345 is the answer. Next. Question number 56 to 60, you have one more DI. So what is the here? What is given? Distribution of number of students of different class from a school who have participated in yoga event. All students of a particular class have participated in the event, and there are only 6 classes in that school. So class 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here it is given in terms of degrees. So 360 degrees is equal to 1620, which is equal to 100%. Now the question asked, what is the question asked here? What is the difference? What is the difference between the total number of students who have participated from class 9 and 11 together and total number of students who have participated from 8th and 12th together? So it is 32 plus 108 minus 40 plus 72. Okay, out of that, so 40 plus 72. So how much you are going to get here? 32 plus 108, 140, 140, 140 minus 112, 140 minus 112, 140 minus 112 is 28 degrees. So 28 degrees value is how much? If 360 degrees is 1620, then 28 degrees would be how much? It is 28 into 1620 divided by 360. 0, 0 cancel. Now it is how many times? 2 18s are, 2 14s are, and 18 9s are, right? 14 9s are how much? 126. So answer is 126. Next question. Ratio of boys to girls students in class 10 and class 7 is 8 is to 7, 8 is to 7 and 4 is to 5 respectively. Total number of girl students from these two classes is what percentage more or less than number of total students in class 8? Class 8. If you see here, total number of girls from 10th and 7th is how much? It is girls means 7 by 15 of here how much degrees in 10? 60 by 360 of 1620. And what about 7th? It is 5 by 9th of 48 degrees out of 360 in 1620. If you simplify this, how much you are going to get? 61 are 66 are 90, 18 times. So it is 126 plus. Now it is how many times? 9 18s, 182s, 224s. So it is 120. 126 plus 120 is 246. So girls in 10th and 7th is 246 and students of class 7. Total students of class 7. Class 8 now. Class 8 is how much actually? 32 degrees. 32 by 360 into 1620. So how much you are going to get here? See here 182s are, 180 90s are, right? 189s are. Then 2 16s are, 16 9s are how much? 144. 144. Now it is asked for this 246. This 246 is more or less than by 144 by how much percentage? Difference is 102 divided by 144 into 100. Difference by base value into 100. Now how much you are going to get? 16 sevens are 16. Am I correct? Am I correct or not? 246 minus 144 is 102. 102 by 144 into 100. So how much you are going to get? So here 16 sevens are, no, 17 na? So 3 how many times? 334 times, 348 times, no? 348 times. Then 412, how much? 412 times, 425 times. Now 2 6 times, 2 13 times, 2 17 times. 425 by 6, 425 by 6, 425 by 6 means it is 75 by 6, 75 by 6. So option E is the correct answer. Then 58, total number of students from class 7 and 8 together is what percentage of the number of students who are from 11 and 12 together? So 7 and 8 together is 80. Is what percentage of the 11 and 12? 11 and 12 together is how much? 180. 80 is what percentage of 180? So if you observe here, it is 24s or 29s. 4 by 9 means 44, 4 by 9 percentage. Next, find the ratio of the average of the students from class 8th and 9th, class 7th and 9th, class 7th and 9th. 48 plus 40, 88. 88 by 2 is to the average of the students of 8th and 10th. 8th and 10th is 60 plus 32, 92 by 2 average. So 2 to cancel. So I can say here 422 ja, 423 ja. 22 is to 23 is the answer. Next, students from class 7, 9 and 12. 7, 9 and 12 together is what percentage of the total number of students who have participated from the school? So here 48 plus 40, 88 plus 108, 88 plus 108, 88 plus 108, how much? 88 plus 108 is 196. 196 divided by 108 plus 48, 156 plus 40, 196 is what percentage of 360? It is the question. So if you see here 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Now 4 9s are 4 49s are. So 490 by 9. 490 by 9 means 54 4 by 9. 54 4 by 9. Option D is the answer. Now questions based on simplification. So what is the value? 38 percentage of 550. So here what is the digital sum? Here 7, here 5 plus 5 1, 3 plus 8 11 means 2, 2 into 1 2. Here 2 digital sum. Here 7 into how much will give you 7. So 2 plus 5. When will you get 5 here? When will you get 5 digital sum? 8 plus 6, 14. 14 means 5 into 7, 35. No. 7 6 are 7 plus 6, 13. 13 means 4. 4 into 7, 28. No. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6, 1. No. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 means 3. 7 into 3, 21. 3. 5 into 6. So what is the answer here? Please see. I am just trying to do the other way. 38 percentage of 550 is same as 55 percentage of 380. 190 plus 19, which is 209. 209. 601 minus 601. Am I correct or not? 55% of 380. 55% of 380 is 190 plus 19. With 190 plus 19 is 209. 209. Okay. Now 601 minus 209. 601 minus 209 is equal to X percentage. of 700. So 100 7 times 7x. Now what is the value? So 11 minus 9 is 2, 9 minus 0 is 9, 5 minus 2 is 3, 392 is 7x. So what is the value of x here? So option is 5, 56. Answer is 56. So option E is correct. Next, 8 power 4. 8 power 4. So if you see here, the question mark would be 16 square into 28 square by 8 power 4. If you simplify this, here 7 square into 4 square will be there. So if I simplify this, I will get this 49. So answer is 49. Answer is 49. Next, if you observe here, the question mark would be 1575 divided by 195 into 16 by 9 into 13 by 7. If you simplify this, 13 15 ja 195, 1500 5 ja. Then how much I am going to get here? 3 3 ja, 335 ja, 7 5 ja. So 16 5 ja 80 by 3. So 80 by 3 is the answer. Next, 3.5 percentage. 3.5 percentage means 7 by 200 into x. 28 square is 784. 784 plus 35 28 is 35 eggs are 280, 35 20 is 700. So it is 840 plus 140. 840 plus 140 is 980. 980 plus 784, 1764. 1764 under root is 1764 under root is 42. So 7 6 are 42. So x is equal to 1200. 206 are 1200. Next, question number 66. The simple interest accrued in 5 by 2 years on principal of 18,000 rupees is 3 by 20th of principal. 3 by 20th of principal means the principal is 18,000, 20 parts, then 20 parts is this one, then 3 parts would be 20 into 900. 3 into 900 is 2700. What is the rate of interest? In 2.5 years, in 5 by 2 years, the interest is 2700. In 1 year, it is how much? In 1 year, 2700 into 1 by 5 by 2. So 2 by 5. 2 by 5. 5 how many times? 540 ja. 540 into 2, 1080. 1080 is what percentage of what? 1800, 18,000, 6%. So answer is rate of interest is 6%. Next, a shopkeeper mixed x kg tea of one variety cost 260 rupees per kg and x plus 8 kg tea of other variety cost 320 rupees per kg, and after selling the mixture at 357 he gets a profit of what? 20%. So 120% of mean cost price is given as 357. So what is the mean cost price? Which is 100% of mean cost price. So 357 into 5 by 6. So it is nothing but 3 2 ja, 3 109 ja. So it is how much? 119 ja, 119 ja. So it is 595 by 2. So 595 by 2 is the mean cost price, and the cheaper is here 260 and the dearer is 320. Okay, so 320. So now what is the ratio that is given? What is the ratio we'll get? 320 minus 595 by 2 is to 595 by 2 minus 260. So this is nothing but 320 minus 595 by 2. 320 minus 595 by 2. So 640 minus 595 is 45. 2 to cancel. 595 minus 595 minus 520 is 75. So 15 3s are 15 5s are 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5. So this 3 is to 5 is x by x plus 8. The quantities are already given. So x by x plus 8 is 3 by 5. From this we get x as how much? X is 12. 12 by 12 plus 8. So x is 12. X is 12. Thereby the answer is 12. The answer is 12. If 40% of P is equal to 75% of Q, okay, then what you say here, P by Q would be P by Q would be 5 3s are 15 by 2 4s are 8. Then 12P is what percentage of 20Q? 12P is what percentage of 20Q? Means 12 by 20, P by Q is 15 by 8 into 100. Into 100. So now how much you are going to get here? 4 2s are 4 3s are 25s are 25s are. Now my value is here 15 5s are 75, 75 3s are 225 by 2, 112 and half, 112 and half percentage. Then question number 69. Downstream speed of a boat is 5 km per hour more than the upstream speed of the boat in still water. And the speed of the boat in still water is 280% more than that of speed of stream. So x plus y downstream speed, x minus y upstream speed. Difference is given as 5. So you got 2y is equal to 5, y is equal to 2.5. Y is equal to 2.5. And it is given that x is 280% more. So 380% of 2.5, which is 2.5 into 3.8, which is 9.5. So x is 9.5 km per hour. Now find the total time taken by the boat to travel 42 km downstream and 31.5 km upstream. So 42 by downstream speed, x plus y is 12. Similarly 31.5, 9.5 minus 2.5, 7. So 12 into 3.5, 42. 7 into 4.5, 31.5. 3.5 plus 4.5 is 8 hours. So answer is 8 hours. Now the last question for today's quantitative section. Ratio of Ayush is 1 year later and Veer's age 5 years ago was 1:1. If the average of their ages 6 years later will be 33. 6 years later, if it is 33, now it is how much? 27. So sum of their present ages is 54. 54. 54. So 1 year later, right? Ratio of Ayush age 1 year later. So Ayush age 1 year later is a plus 1. Veer's age 5 years ago is, this ratio is 1:1. So from this what you get, a plus 1 is equal to v minus 5. So a minus v is equal to minus 6. Minus 6. And see, I already told you the sum of their present ages is 54. So if I solve this, what I am going to get? 2a is equal to 48, a is equal to 24. If a is 24, v is 30. Now the ratio of present ages of Veer and Ayush. 30 by 24 is asked. So 6 5s are 6 4s are 5 is to 4. 5 is to 4 is the answer. So with this we have done today's quantitative section discussion. Okay, thank you so much for attending the video, and we'll again meet in our next session. Thank you.